All right, so let's finish off 7.2 with two application examples. So in the first one, we have a piece of steel, which is 6 meters long. So let's draw that. Very, very nice drawing there, Leanne. Okay, 6 meters long. So this entire piece of steel is 6 meters long. And we have a piece that's 372 centimeters removed. We want to know how much is left. So we've come along and somebody's cut it, let's say somewhere around here, and they have removed 372 centimeters. Well, so if we're trying to figure out how much is left, we're saying 6 meters minus 372 centimeters. So the first thing you're going to want to do there is to put everything in the same units. We can do that two ways. We can work in the meters or we can work in the centimeters. Let's work in the centimeters. So I'm going to take my 6 meters and I'm going to convert that to centimeters. So 6 meters, remember any whole number or any number is really just a fraction over 1. So we have 6 meters over 1, and we're going to multiply by our conversion factor so that meters will cancel out. So I'm going to put meters on the bottom, and our answer is left in centimeters. And so if you look on that at that conversion in your formula sheet, you'll find that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. Centi means 100, or cent means 100. And so here I can cancel out those meters, and this leaves me with 600 centimeters or 600 centimeters over 1. I don't really have to write the over 1. So our initial piece of steel then was 600 centimeters. And now, so this is kind of like step 1, converting that to centimeters. Now both of our measurements are in centimeters. So now we can do the subtraction. So we can do 600 centimeters minus 372 centimeters. And you can use a calculator or you can do this longhand. I'm going to do it longhand just for fun. So I end up with 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 7, 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So I get 228 centimeters left. What do they say about, they don't tell us what unit of measurement we have to have for our answer. So our answer could be in centimeters or meters. So we can write there is 228 centimeters left. Okay. Next one, final question here. We have a 2-meter piece of wire and it's cut into 5 equal pieces. Okay, so this time, so here's our 2-meter piece of wire. Something I can draw once again, yay. 2-meter piece of wire here. We want to cut it into 5 equal pieces. Well, what operation will that be? Well, here we're actually, you could even say it in English, we could say we're dividing it into 5 equal pieces. So here we want to divide that big 2-meter long section into 5. So we're doing 2 meters divided by 5. So go ahead and pause this video and give this one a try. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to try this on your own. If we do 2 divided by 5, we're going to get a decimal answer. So our answer here is going to be 0.4, and we're dealing in meters. So each of those pieces is going to be 0.4 or 4/10 of a meter. Or if we wanted to convert that into centimeters, sometimes that makes a little more sense to think about or to visualize. We could say, oh, in fact, we have to convert it to centimeters. We've got 0.4 meters. We're going to multiply that by a conversion factor. We want to cancel out the meters and be left with centimeters. So we're going to multiply by 100. And that's going to give us, our meters are going to cancel here. So that's going to give us 40 centimeters. So here, each piece is 40 centimeters. And that's the end of 7.2.